Phones are everywhere nowadays. And for good reason. They're so useful. But what if our phones were actually people? Would that make things easier or harder? Ooh, oh, what a long day! I can't wait to get some sleep. Just gotta get comfortable. Maybe if I lay on this side. Ugh! It's too bright! I just want to get some sleep! There, that's better. Why is this pillow so uncomfortable? This is ridiculous! Does the whole world hate me? I'll stick a leg out. That'll cool me off. But what about monsters under the bed? Better keep my leg up here. I guess I'm just not gonna get a good night's sleep. And of course, now I'm cold. Maybe this position? Or like this? Ugh! I hate my bed! This night is the worst! What is it? Why are you screaming? Hey, an egg! That gives me a great idea! I'll start with a phone case and a glue gun. I'll draw a circle of glue in the middle. And now I'll paint it with white nail polish. Great! Now I'll wait for it to dry. For the next step, I'll need a yellow balloon. I'll just cut the top off. And then I'll put a ball of slime inside it. Just like that. And now to put it on the phone. It's squishy! There! It looks like an egg on my phone case. Oh. The squish is so relaxing. Wow. Now I'm nice and sleepy. Eggs! Is there anything they can't do? Doing squats is really paying off. Laying low sure takes muscle. Uh-oh! So busted! Hi, Mr. Jones. Just looking for the bathroom. Well, that was an epic fail. Wait a minute. I'll be right back. Don't be mad. Just wanted a snack. Nice. Turns out my sweet tooth is more tech-friendly. Selfie time! Cute! Okay, phone. I need you to tell me when it's 7. Don't let me miss my English test. Alright, time to get down to it. I am a study warrior. I'm gonna ace this test. The verbs were mean to me. It's 7 o'clock! Time for your test, Julie! Phone! You're making too much noise. Ah, okay. Let me try this then. Julie! Julie! You've gotta wake up! Alright, I better protect my ears. Julie! Wake up! Get up! You're not supposed to be sleeping! Wake up, soldier! Wow, I'm really good at music. I should start a band. Thank you, thank you. You're great fans. Alright, Julie! Okay, I have to get her awake no matter what. Oh, she's so heavy. It's no use. Wait, maybe I can pull her legs. Julie, come on! Come on, phone. You're stronger than this. Oh, I'm such a failure. Wow. I'm pretty sleepy. Gosh, that was a good sleep. I feel great. So well rested. Wait, what time is it? The test! Alright, the silverware is perfect. Now for my lunch. Hey, is it okay if I sit there? Do what you want. I love fries so much. They're my favorite. Ugh, ridiculous. I have to take enough photos for my Insta. Whoa, smart. I should do that too. Oh, right. I have a janky old phone. Guess I'll just eat my food instead of photographing it. Ugh. Just need to get this angle. Ugh. It's not working. It's no use. Hey, do you think you could help me? Me? Sure thing. I'm happy to help. Let me just grab your phone. Just try not to get grease on your screen. Oh, I dropped it! No! I caught it! Oh my gosh, that was a close one! Phew! She didn't even notice. Huh. There's a spider right there. I think I have an idea! I'm gonna need a phone, a 3D pen, and a regular marker. I'll start by making loops around the marker with the 3D pen. Then I'll slide the loops off. Good. Now for the 3D pen again. I'll draw a line to this corner. And now to draw more, like a spider web. All while keeping the loops vertical. Excellent. Now for some more lines for decoration. This is gonna be a great-looking spider web. Done! Spiders are amazing, and so am I! Ooh, let's do some on the edge, too. Now for some glitter! You can never go wrong with some added sparkle. It's done! The loops work like a ring. Now I don't have to worry about dropping her phone again. Ooh, these are great pictures! Okay, I'll take my phone back now. What did you do to it? Huh. I kinda like it. Thanks. You're alright. You're welcome! This lunch turned out to be a lot of fun! Chris! I need your help! It's all in your hands. You can count on me, Annie. Hold it right there, missy. I don't have a thing on me. What's Chris doing? I can't trust him with anything. Go on in, dear. Operation Phone Car in full effect. Sticky tape secured. Phone ready to go. And off you go! Watch the legs! Easy. Careful on the turn. Destination reached. I love a good road trip.